Want to turn your regular selfie into a Pixar movie style or high-end fashion ad style 3D image? Stylize Prompts. Just copy paste and your photo transforms into 3D art. No skills needed, just your own. Or I've dropped a direct link in the description box. Just click that to go straight to the blog. On the blog, you'll find 20 prompts. Pick the style you like. Select your aspect ratio, then hit the copy prompt button. The prompt is now copied to your clipboard. Now open ChatGPT or Gemini, upload your photo, paste the copied prompt, and hit send. In just a few seconds, your 3D stylized image will be ready. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and visit Gadrex.com for more AI prompts.